Hello everyone, I am back at this house and I want to make a video for you. I'm going to film both the Carrier and the Lennox. I'm going to film my grandneighbor's Carrier and my neighbor's Lennox. I'm going to film my grandneighbor's 2007 Carrier and my neighbor's 2024 Lennox Elite both running because I want to make a video of both these very quiet units running. So here you go. Here's the Carrier running. This is my first time recording this unit for 2025. It's my first time seeing it running in 2025. So yeah, here it is. It's got a very smooth scroll sound. You see the top is faded. It's a Comfort series. It's got a very rusty key. I think it has a Copeland scroll compressor. But yeah, it has very smooth scroll sound in this unit. If you go out here, you can definitely hear that scroll. That's the sound, that's the scroll sound this Carrier makes. R410A refrigerant. They also make these units with R22, but this is the R410A one. This is not going to get replaced because this unit has R410A. It's got an awesome scroll sound. It's working just fine. See on the fan motor, it's WYV on that motor. It is from this unit. So here it is. This is from 2007. So this unit is actually 18 years old. This unit is 18 years old and still kicking. Yep, it's a 2007, that's a 3-ton. Listen to that scroll sound, it's amazing. Cold and sweaty, outdoor temperature. That is very mossy covering right there. I think it must have an awesome scroll sound because of the Parker liquid line filter dryer that this unit has. Love that smooth scroll sound on that Carrier. Yeah, on that 18-year-old Carrier. Here you go. I'm gonna go around here into the 2024 Lennox Elite with R454B refrigerant. The Carrier has R410A. The last time Carrier units had R410A, last time ICP, Carrier, Bryan, and Payne units have R410A refrigerant was last year. And now they just switched it to R454B. Does the same thing to Lennox units, but on Goodman and the Manny units, they switched the refrigerant to R32. Oh my goodness, this Lennox is actually very silent. That Carrier next door. Here's the Lennox running. Sounds very, very quiet. You can almost barely hear that scroll sound in this unit. It's amazing. It's got sound big. I think it might have the new Emerson scroll compressor under it. It's got a Brother ECM bigger. If I catch this unit starting up, it will have the ECM delay. Because it's got an ECM motor. Yep, R454B refrigerant. Man, look at that smooth scroll sound this has as well. Definitely a great, very nice unit right here. (2024) a 3.5 ton. Yeah, this is a 3.5 ton from 2024. Carrier next door is a 3 ton. That's a big 3 ton for that Carrier. This one's a 3.5. It's got a driver's tech disconnect box. Oh my goodness, that's very cold and wet. Much colder than the old unit. The liquid line is subcooling. This unit is definitely cooling the house much better than the old Magic Chef CJK, which is now in the scrapyard for eternity. The old Magic. This is where the old Magic Chef was, and now they moved the new unit to right here. So this is where the old unit was, and now this is the new unit right here. And this is where the old GE disconnect box was. See, under that asphalt is a pad for the old unit. This unit is much taller as well. Coils are starting to get a little dirty. Wow, they got dirty fast. Here's the Lennox. You know, I'm going to take a picture of the Carrier because I like the Carrier more than the Lennox. That's my Grand Neighbor's dog barking. You can hear the grass walk. You can hear the grass walk sound I make. That's the dog right there. His name is Crisper. The dog's name is Crisper. Let's go take one last look at the Carrier and take a picture of it. Yep, that's the dog right there. No, there's some other dogs barking in the distance. Listen to that amazing scroll sound of the Carrier. Yeah. I'm gonna take a good picture of this unit because I love the Carrier more than the Lennox. Oh, that's not a good picture. There we go. But yeah, there was both the 2024 Lennox Elite. There's both the 2024 Lennox Elite and the 2007 Carrier running. So yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out.